Hey everyone, welcome back to Petrol Magazine. Today we're diving into a list of cars that are so cheap to run, you'll think they run on good vibes and leftover coffee. These are the 5 cheapest cars to own, maintain, and fuel. And no, we're not talking about stuff that turns into a mushroom cloud after 60,000 miles. These cars are not only frugal, they're reliable enough to survive your worst habits. Before we start, make sure to like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments, what car cost you the least to own? Bonus points if it's still running. Let's get into it. The Toyota Yaris is what happens when Toyota engineers decide to build a car with absolutely no drama, ever. The 2007 to 2011 models come with a simple 1.5-liter 4-cylinder, no turbo, no nonsense, and maintenance so cheap you could pay for it with couch coins. These things get around 35 miles per gallon, the timing chain never needs replacing, and they'll hit 200,000 miles if you remember to change the oil once in a while. You can pick one up for $3,000 to $6,000 and it'll just quietly keep going while your friends take out loans for head gasket repairs. It's not fast, it's not flashy, but it'll outlive your next 3 relationships. Next up is the Honda Fit, because it's fit to do literally everything. The 2009 to 2013 models are powered by a 1.5-liter IVTEC engine, which is basically a sewing machine that does yoga. They get up to 36 miles per gallon. They have magic folding seats that turn the back into a micro apartment, and they rarely break. Maintenance is easy, parts are cheap, and the most common repair you'll face is replacing wiper blades because you're still driving it in 2040. You can get one for around $5,000 to $8,000, and we're telling you, this is the Swiss Army knife of cars. You knew this was coming. The Toyota Corolla is the official car of I just want something that works. The 2009 to 2013 generation features a 1.8-liter engine, incredible fuel economy, 30-plus miles per gallon city, and legendary reliability. It's not just cheap to run, it's borderline unkillable. Oil changes? Cheap. Brakes? Cheap. Insurance? Also cheap. Basically, it's the car that makes mechanics sad because it never shows up. Used prices are around $6,000 to $9,000, and you'll see these things running around with 300K plus miles like they're just getting warmed up. Hyundai used to be a joke, not anymore. The 2011 to 2016 Elantra proved that you can have style, comfort, and rock-bottom ownership costs all in one surprisingly reliable package. With a 1.8-liter engine up to 38 miles per gallon highway and cheap parts, the Elantra is a budget commuter's dream. And it's surprisingly comfy inside. Like, how is this car this cheap? Comfy. Used examples go for $4,000 to $7,000, and you'll still find plenty with low mileage because people just never had to take them to the shop. Bonus. It actually looks kinda cool, so you won't feel like you're driving a rolling apology. Need something cheap to run, but don't want to be bored out of your mind? Enter the Mazda III, the fun one on the list. The 2010 to 2013 models offer a 2.0-liter engine, good for 30-plus miles per gallon, and a chassis that actually wants to go around corners. Maintenance? Basic. Repairs? Rare. Driving experience? Way above its price point. You can find one for $5,000 to $9,000, and it'll keep going with regular maintenance and the occasional compliment. It's the car for people who want to save money but still have just a little fun on the on-ramp. And that's it, 5 of the cheapest cars to run that won't explode, implode, or bankrupt you. They're reliable, fuel efficient, and easy to maintain. And best of all, they don't come with cheap car headaches. Which one would you daily until the wheels fall off? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more budget-friendly picks, car ownership tips, and vehicles that won't ghost you after 100,000 miles. Only on Petrol Magazine. Thanks for watching, and remember, being cheap doesn't mean giving up. It means outsmarting the system.